Welcome to Tailwind. In today's video, we're going to build a stunning info message component using Tailwind CSS. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to create the beautiful component you see on the screen right now. Let's get started. Let's start by creating a simple div with some padding using the class P4. This will give our component some space inside. Next, we'll add a background color using the BG Indigo 100 class. This gives our component a light indigo background. Now let's add a border to our component using the border class. This will define the edges of our message box. We'll enhance the border by specifying a color with border indigo 400, giving it a darker indigo shade. To make our text stand out, we'll use the text Indigo 700 class for a contrasting indigo color. Adding the rounded MD class will give our component rounded corners, making it look more polished. We add a margin at the bottom using MB4 to ensure our component doesn't stick to other elements below it. Now let's add some content inside our component. We'll include a paragraph with the text. This is an info message. To make the message more prominent, we'll apply the font bold class to our paragraph. Let's add a placeholder image next to our text using the placehold.co API. We'll use a small image with some left margin. To align the text and image horizontally, we'll use the Flex and Item Center classes. For a more informative look, let's add an SVG icon at the beginning of our component. We'll add a secondary paragraph for additional information using the text-sm class for smaller text. To ensure the text takes up available space, we wrap it in a div with the Flex1 class. Finally, let's make the image circular by adding the rounded full class to it. To wrap up, we'll add a margin to the body to ensure the component doesn't stick to the edges of the page. Congratulations! You've successfully created a stunning info message component using Tailwind CSS. We covered how to use various Tailwind classes to style our component. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment, like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. See you next time.